Today we're gonna make stir fry. And then we got green snow peas. Finally, we're gonna have our string beans because string beans are green. They're really good. I'm gonna use a miso base. My miso is pretty old, but I don't know if that's gonna be a problem. It's either gonna be miso or it's gonna be oyster sauce. I'm worried that my oyster sauce is not good. Okay, it's probably getting clean. Snow peas are cute. Now we're gonna chop them up, but I don't want it because every time I do it, I fuck up. So now let's get this pan oiled up so it's ready for the meat. Not a lot, because the fat, oh, well, okay.
Three, two, one, let's go!
Pro tip, don't throw wet vegetables in because then all the oil's gonna splash and hit you. This is abrage. It's like little tofu strips that are deep fried. It'll add a little bit more meatiness to something that already has meat in it. Beautiful, isn't it? That's what it looks like when you cut it. All my friends are having babies now and starting families and moving into the next stage of life. From the outside it looks like perfect and happy. Then I'm happy too. So wild, but apparently everything I own has expired in like the same month. So this is February. And then this is also February. Should I try it? Yeah, why not? No. Wait, let's smell it first. Oh, this one doesn't expire for a year. We're good. I don't know if this is what I want to put in here, though. So I think I'm going to stick with the miso plan after all. Okay, well, let's turn down the heat because I'm literally burning everything now. To be honest, I'm a little bit spooked because it smells vaguely alcoholic. But I've heard that in some famous restaurants they actually use the same miso for years, so I guess it should be fine. So I'm just going to dollop this in and then add some water, and then we'll basically be done. Dolloped in. I'm going to probably add one more, but now I'll show you how to add water. I'm going to take this cup, it's probably clean, and just, ooh yeah. I mean, I feel like one of the biggest mistakes, I guess, that people try to make is they think that life is supposed to be about being happy, but, you know, like Zizek said, you were made to suffer. In this individualistic society, they prioritize the idea of, like, everyone has to be happy, and, like, you know, you're aiming at happiness, and that's, like, kind of what you live for. And I think that's probably the biggest mistake, right? Because, you know, it's unreasonable to think everyone's gonna be happy all the time, and, like, maybe, I don't know, that's kind of a hard thing to even aim at. It's a hard thing to... Shit, it's too watery. Yeah, I should have made rice. Oh well, I think I'm out anyway. But this will be a delicious meal. And I guess... I don't know, there's no real, like, exciting moment to be like, oh, it's finished, so I guess it's finished pretty soon, right? Oh, right, I'll do the thing I always do. Let's add curry salt. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's actual in like a, I don't know, like, if I remember right, curry powder was like this thing that was sort of invented and like exported over into the UK because like families in the UK were like, oh, I want to get in on like colonialism, but like, so this is officially curry miso stir fry now. This would be really good on rice, which I've already established I don't have. There you have it. It's curry miso stir fry. Nice. Oh, okay, so that heads up, the miso is not good. Yeah, this is so salty. Okay, so this is my warning to those of you who decide to make this. Don't add any salt, and possibly don't add so much miso.